呢，嘴皮子嘛。
对呀，你也有时说着说着，哎，下句接不上来了，冷场了。
正常嘛，你不是干这个，不是专业干这个的。
所以你就得把自己训练成这个。
Okay. Hi everyone. Today we are going to introduce how to say hi or hello in very informal ways in Chinese. So we see this first. 来了，来了，妈妈来了。
来了。
Okay. The second way is 吃了吗？吃了吗？妈妈吃了吗？
吃了。
But sometimes it's maybe someone will tell you 我没吃 instead of 吃了. So which means that he maybe is not very happy and he do not want to have a more conversation with you. But anyway, the fix formal of this impression, this answer for 吃了吗 is 吃了。妈妈吃了吗？
吃了。
Or 妈妈吃了吗？
我没吃。
你没吃？
Yeah.
没吃回家吃去吧。So if some people give you answer 我没吃 then you cannot go on with your conversation. So it's really bizarre. Okay? The third is 最近怎么样 and people can answer 挺好。妈妈最近怎么样？
挺好。
Okay, so let's the three expression which is very very informal in China but it's very common in China when you meet someone, especially your friends, not stranger, the people you know, and to say hello and say hi.